The piano package includes Radio Ear DD45 supraaural headphones, B71 bone vibrator, patient response switch, monitor headsets with boom microphone for talkover, clip-on microphone for talkback, medical grade power supply, USB connection cable, user manual in English, Sennheiser HDA 300 circumaural headphones, the Inventis software suite. All connection points for accessories are located on the rear panel, as is the power switch. AC transducers have 3 dedicated connectors. Piano is compatible with DD45 supraaural headphones, with insert earphones, and with HF headphones, which are available only for Piano Plus and Plus VRA models. The bone vibrator is the Radio Ear B71, and it comes with its own headband. The rear panel also offers connections for active free-field speakers, for the talkback microphone, and for an external input source. The operator headset has 2 dedicated plugs for both the talkover and monitor functions. The standard patient response switch which comes with the unit can be plugged into the L socket. The piano audiometer can interact with your computer via USB connection. We can now have a quick look at the software installation procedure and its interface. Double-click on the installer to run the application. You will be asked to install Maestro with or without a proprietary database, or as a NOAA module. Confirm all the settings and then press Install. Once the installation has finished, connect Piano and start Maestro by double-clicking on the icon. Maestro will immediately recognize the unit. To transfer tests from an instrument to the Maestro archive, simply select the To PC button on the keyboard. Once the tests have finished downloading, they can be displayed, printed, and deleted as necessary using the relative archive button.